Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your mobile data with your smart TV if you don't have access to Wi-Fi. You just follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video. It's very easy. Whether you have an iPhone or an Android, it's the same procedure. First, go to your iPhone or Android phone, go to settings, look for cellular data or mobile data. So I have a Redmi phone. I'm going to go to mobile networks. In mobile networks, you have mobile data. Turn it on. Once mobile data is on, you just go back. It depends on your phone model. Look where it says hotspot in your phone. Open that. Enable portable hotspot. Set up portable hotspot. Press the I. You will get this information. You will see your phone model and you will get this code. This is the hotspot password. You need to enter that in your smart TV. So just take note of that information, the name of your phone and the password. Now I'm going to go on my TV and enter that information. Go to settings. I have a Samsung TV. It depends on your TV brand and model. You just look for network. So on my Samsung TV, I'm going to go to general, and in general, network, and network, you just open network settings, choose wireless, tap wireless. You will see available networks and you will see the model of your phone right there. You see it right there with Wi-Fi connections. Just press the name of your phone. You will get prompted to enter the password. You just enter the password that is displayed in your phone. To double check if the password you just entered is correct, tick this box, show password. Show password and just double check if the password is correct. Once you have entered the password, you just press enter or done. It depends on your TV model. I'm connected right now to my Wi-Fi hotspot from my Android phone. Please, if it's the first time you're watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.